You have made it to the end of the 30 Days of Yoga Challenge for 2021. And I just wanted to personally congratulate all of you for hanging in there with me and continuing through to the end. Even if there were some days where you had to stop, there were days where you felt like you couldn't do what I was instructing, even if there were days where you had to skip because life happens. I just want to congratulate you for continuing through to the end. And today we're not going to have a regular yoga practice or meditation or anything. This is just a video that I thought would be very cute for you to see behind the scenes with me. This video is a compilation of all of the bloopers that happened from the first video to the last video. And that means that you'll see me singing, dancing, messing up my words, all of those things for the next few minutes. And I also wanted to let you know that you can continue on this yoga journey with me by staying subscribed to my YouTube channel. Each week I will be posting a new video, whether it's a yoga and meditation video or a motivational video or a self-care video, and you'll get that sent to your inbox as well. Also, if you'd like to join me in class, I offer classes almost every week. Most of the time my classes are bi-weekly, and I will post that and I will send an email as well. But you can join me in class. If you'd like to take private yoga lessons, I invite you to sign up for those as well. And I do self-care sessions to help you to incorporate self-care into your life. So if you'd like to sign up for those, you're welcome to do that as well. Lastly, I have a membership site that starts at $5.55 per month. And there are 4 tiers there that also include the private yoga and other things that you may want to indulge in. So I will leave all of those links in the email, so you can go back to the original email after you watch this video and explore those options. So thank you for joining me on this journey. I hope to hear from you all soon, and just enjoy the next few minutes of bloopers. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, This Curvi Yogi. I am Jakita, and today is day number 2. Damn, just messed it all up. Really? Oh, my foot is asleep. Welcome to day. All right. I am sweating. So we're gonna start in mountain pose. No, we're not. So let's do this. Or blah, 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 blah. Talking too much, girl. You're talking too much. She supposed to stay. Tiger pose. Ha ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha he ha he ha. I look forward to seeing you for tomorrow for day 9. Not 9, 11. My goodness. And I hope to see you tomorrow for day number 13. No, 12. You gonna have my hair like this? Make sure. Tuesday. Let's do it again. One more time. One more time. Wow, fine. You make my heart sing. We will be working on opening the hip and downward dog with our 3-legged dog. I'm talking too many times. Blah, 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 blah. And today is day number 21 of our 30 Days of Yoga series for 2021. And because 21 is 21. Okay. 19. Oops. I mean 17. Damn. Lift up your hands. Lift up your soul. Started. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, This Curvi Yogi. I am Jakita and I am Rakita. What the world? And today is how did I forget? Okay. Oops. And today is Warrior Wednesday. It's our last Warrior Wednesday. And I think we're going, I know. I wrote it, I know. Where we explore movements that help us to move. That's all, folks. I cannot with myself. I got it.